In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Vantage market account to MetaTrader 5. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that your Vantage market account is fully verified, as well as your MetaTrader 5. And then hover to the option that says Accounts. And then I want you to click the Open Account. This will forward you to a new page. Now, all I have to do is super simple. You can simply select a live account or a demo account, and then you need to choose a trading platform, which is going to be MetaTrader 5. Okay? And then you can choose an account type. Is it like a standard, raw, perpetual? In my case, I am choosing the standard. And you can choose an account currency, which is going to be USD. Choose a leverage, let's say this one. And for the account balance, for example, 1,000 or 25,000, since this is the limit for the demo account. And then once you are happy with that, all I have to do is click the submit button. Okay? Click the I know button. And what will happen is, as you may notice, that your account has been fully connected from Vantage to MetaTrader 5. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.